Scenic line. This extension is the result of a need for expansion for this house in the south of France from a family inheritance. Located at the bottom of a plot of slender geometry, it has the privilege of taking advantage of its strategic position, at the top of a hill and offering breathtaking views of the neighboring villages. We proposed for the implementation of the extension to follow the geometric shape of the plot in alignment with the entrance square. Resolutely contemporary, the new construction takes the form of two horizontal slabs, placed on a base of local stone. This horizontal reading is underlined by a generous line of glazing, open to the landscape. From the inside, a metal staircase provides access to the solarium on the green roof, offering a 360 degrees view of northern Montpellier. From the terrace of the living space, a few carefully placed steps provide access to the mirror swimming pool, covered in Bali stones. Topographic work between natural terrain and mineral furniture was carried out in order to integrate a convivial space in the heart of the garden. This concrete outdoor furniture creates a link with the ground floor level and the swimming pool. This play of proportions and integration generates an effect of levitation of the house. Reference: CML. Location: Montpellier, France. Year: 2020. Category: House. Status: Delivered. Area: 370 square meters. Photographs: Brings.